everyone. So the next thing we're gonna do is a science experiment that teaches the kids the importance of using soap when washing their hands. So some of the goals that we're gonna hit here are answering WH questions, and I'll kind of address those as we do the activity. It could be, we could work on predicting, of expanding their utterances, increasing their vocabulary, answering yes/no questions. So the key words that we're gonna use in this activity are the words soap and water. So the sign for soap is you make one hand flat and take your other hand and flick it. So soap. And for water, take your thumb and your pinky, put it together, have your other fingers make a W and hit your chin. So we have water and soap. So for my kids who are working on some articulation skills, you can emphasize the S in soap. So soap. You can work on the W in water, so tell them to pucker their lips and say whoop for water. For some of our kids that are working on beginning sounds, you can work on the P in pepper, so p for pepper. And there's a B in bowl, so b, bowl. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a bowl, some pepper, soap, and water. The first thing you're gonna do is fill your bowl with some water. Okay, once it has some water in it, you want to take the pepper and fill it up so there's quite a bit in it. Okay, this can be where you start working on your WH questions. So you can ask them, what do you think will happen if you put your finger in the water with the pepper? They can work on predicting. So that can be, I think it's going to do whatever. If a student only answers with one word, you can expand on that. If they say stick, you can say, yeah, maybe it will stick to your finger, that type of thing. So have them put their finger in, and yes, the pepper does stick to your finger. So once that happens, you can just rinse it off. The next thing you're gonna do is take your soap and just put a little bit of it on your finger. Now you can ask them what they think is gonna happen when you put your finger in with the soap. Here they can say, I think it's gonna stick or whatever. And again, you can expand on their utterances or answer the WH questions. After you do that, you can put your finger in and show them that the soap makes the pepper expand out to the side and it pushes it away. And that's your little science experiment. Let me know how it goes.